Hello everyone, I'm Diego, and this video is about 398 species of parrots. One fact about parrots is that they come in many colors, shapes, and sizes. Another fact about them was that we raise them as pets because it's our desire. A third fact is that they use their feet as hands. Like us who are born left or right-handed, it depends on which foot that does most of the work. They can crack things open with their strong beaks, and they can talk back to communicate with us. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, hit the bell, and subscribe to my channel.